My name is Wren and I live in Alamo, California. I came home, my husband was in the emergency room, and I came home, I heard dripping, and then I saw this drip in the family room, grabbed a bucket, grabbed a stool, grabbed a nail, punctured it, squashed it out with my hand, got the water, and then went running back to the emergency room. And it was a toilet. I found out the coil in the back of it was leaking. Well, it was horrible every time looking at it. Just, I thought I've just got to do something about this. And it was annoying, and I couldn't wait to do something about it. They made me feel comfortable, like, we can take care of this, and the teacher in me wanted to know all the details, and they were so kind to just lay all that out and just be so patient and tell me all that would happen. They fixed the ceiling in the family room where I'd had the leak, and then they retextured, and then they painted. And because the ceilings are, contiguous from the family room to the kitchen, they painted all of it. And then also the entry hall, which is like a 26-foot wall, it had a lot of settling cracks. You could see where the seams were in the boards. They fixed all that just beautifully, and painted it. And then they even thought, oh, your paint is a little bit older, it doesn't match perfectly, so we're going to just go ahead and paint this as well. We'll just throw that in. I said, well, add that in. No, that's fine. Just wow. Everyone I spoke to, they just gave me the utmost confidence, and they came right on time. That's unusual, right? I wanted to mention the two fellows that worked, because they did such a great job. I told them I was going to go on Twitter and Yelp, and I was going to give them a good review, because I really believe you should, when someone goes out of their way and does a good job, they ought to be rewarded. It looks better than it did, new. When we moved in here 23 years ago, it looks better than that. They just covered everything, and I forgot to say too that they, took it down in between, so that, and then came back and put it back up. And I said, oh, you didn't have to do that. No, they said, oh, no, you're going to need to get your refrigerator, and you need to get into everything, and we don't want it in your way. They just, who does that? They just could not have been easier to be around, and just, I don't know. I mean, it wasn't like, oh no, my house is being painted, and oh, it's a mess, and okay, it's only 3 days or something like that. How it wasn't like that at all. They just made it so easy.